Hi everyone, my name is Thais with Julie Security. Welcome back to our Cybersecurity Awareness Month series. Today's topic is the importance of manufacturing automation. We'll discuss the benefits of investing in automation, OT, IT convergence, the vulnerabilities of legacy machines, and why modern manufacturing facilities need cybersecurity. Let's get started. Manufacturing automation is the use of hardware and/or software to automate tasks, systems, and processes within a facility. In today's digital age, the need for increased outputs grows more every year. Automated systems are more necessary than ever to stay competitive and meet growing demand. Automation looks different within each facility, but there are numerous shared benefits to be seen. Increased operation capacity and efficiency, reduced costs, reduced downtime, increased workplace safety. Automation gives managers better oversight into their facilities, driving better decision-making and in turn, better operations overall. The automation process can be a challenge, and the biggest obstacle industrial organizations typically face is integrating physical equipment to digital technology. OT-IT convergence occurs when operational technology and IT become one, as technical advances digitize facilities and equipment. Traditional industrial facilities become smart facilities, and legacy equipment is updated for wireless or remote capabilities. Many consider OT-IT convergence to be manufacturing automation, as data-driven manufacturing gives managers deep insight into operations performance to drive better decision-making. While networks and IT systems upgrade every few years, some traditional facilities and legacy machinery may not be ready to automate just yet. Legacy OT can last decades, complicating both automation and cybersecurity. This makes legacy OT and IT a favorite target for attackers if left unchecked. These legacy systems should be checked for compatibility with the automation systems and cybersecurity protocols. Convergent OT and IT systems can aid in this process.
Cybersecurity will be especially important within automation implementation. Here are a few cybersecurity risks involved in the process. Legacy equipment patching, network segmentation, OT-IT convergence, third-party/vendor risk, lack of monitoring, and lack of cybersecurity policies and etiquette. As computer networks are built and systems are changed and updated, vulnerabilities may be exposed and even may be visible to outsiders. In addition to documenting the systems constructed, we must create an overarching cybersecurity plan for the entire OT-IT organization. A threat detection and monitoring platform is a helpful tool to secure new and existing networks during this process. The OT-IT convergence process also brings cybersecurity risk. IT and OT teams often use the same devices now, usually managed via one or several centralized networks. If this network were compromised, the newly converged OT and IT assets are now in the same space and easily accessible at the same time. Collaboration between the IT and OT teams is extremely important during this time to document any updates or changes and to make the OT-IT convergence go smoothly. Different vendors adhere to different cybersecurity standards, and risk can come from multiple entry points with barriers to finding the source. While there is no easy answer for this risk, some best practices to follow are forming a supply chain risk management plan, working with trusted vendors, and creating a standard cybersecurity level that vendors and third-party partners must adhere to.
Thank you for joining us for our third Cybersecurity Awareness Month video. We hope to see you again next Thursday.